Hey, in today's video, we will talk about AI and how it's used in marketing to make businesses more productive. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that enables machines to learn, think, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI machines can understand speech, recognize images, and make decisions. AI is used in many industries, including healthcare, finance, and marketing. AI marketing is the use of AI technology to optimize marketing strategies and campaigns. It helps businesses to analyze data and insights to predict customer behavior and preferences. With AI marketing, businesses can create targeted marketing campaigns that are more personalized and relevant to their customers. Now you will be having questions in your mind that how is AI marketing used in the current world? AI marketing is used in various ways, including product recommendations. AI can analyze customer data to suggest products that are likely to be of interest to them. AI-powered chatbots can assist customers with their queries and provide them with personalized recommendations. AI can also be used to automate the process of video editing, allowing creators to quickly and easily create polished and professional-looking videos, and much more. Some examples of AI marketing software include: Number 1, ChatGPT is a computer program that talks like a person. It can answer questions and have conversations with people, just like how you talk to your friends and family. It has been taught a lot of things by reading many books and articles, so it knows a lot of things about many different topics. It can help you with your homework, answer your questions, or just have a chat with you. Number 2, Synthesia.io. It's a video generation platform that uses artificial intelligence AI to create high-quality, customizable videos at scale. The platform allows users to create videos by simply entering text, selecting a language and voiceover artist, and choosing a visual style. The platform's AI technology then generates a video that matches the user's input. The videos can be used for a variety of purposes, such as marketing, training, or educational content. Number 3, Copy.ai. It is an AI-powered writing tool that helps businesses and individuals to generate high-quality, engaging content quickly and easily. It uses artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to analyze text and generate new content based on that analysis. With Copy.ai, users can generate a wide range of content types, including blog posts, product descriptions, social media posts, ad copy, and more. These are just a few examples of AI-powered marketing apps available to businesses. Each app offers unique features and capabilities that can help businesses to optimize their marketing efforts and improve their productivity. While AI may seem daunting or complex, it's important to remember that it's simply a tool that can help businesses achieve their goals. By embracing AI and using it to their advantage, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and continue to grow and succeed in an ever-changing digital landscape. Thanks for watching the video.